by Owen, getting the stick down as Andrews tried to go far side. Now there's a penalty upcoming to the Mooseheads Desjardins. And Moncton player getting knocked over, and now he's got Jamie Bishop's got the gloves off. And Bishop, it looks like Saunier, and Bishop landed early. Now they're flailing away. Bishop lands a couple here. Saunier's now got him in tight. And now that's Trask, not Saunier. My apologies there. Bishop's helmet is popped off.
Up until this point, John, Jamie Bishop hasn't played his best game, so perhaps he's looking to get a little bit involved here too. Gets his hands up in the face of the Moncton forward, and Trask just comes in, and they both answer the bell. So 3 fights here in about the last 6 minutes. Well, actually, I was just going to say that we have to keep an eye on Trey Lewis as he comes back across the ice and now into the box, because he actually left after his fight, but was only assessed a 5-minute major. And now he skates back across the ice. So we'll have to see what's going on there. And then he goes over to Bobby Smith. A little bit of back and forth.